In this video, we will observe how we can create a hidden network, or we can hide our Wi-Fi name, and also how we can be connected to the hidden network from desktop or laptop or from our mobile devices. At first, we will have to hide our Wi-Fi name. So, for hiding the Wi-Fi name, we will have to enter our router configuration page, and for my case, the link is tplink wifi.net. Uh, you can enter from your mobile browser or laptop or any desktop browser. We'll have to enter our admin user ID password. From the configuration page, we will have to enter the wireless option, and here the Wi-Fi name is fognet, and uncheck the enable SSID broadcast. This is actually responsible for showing the Wi-Fi name to other devices Wi-Fi list. This will provide extra security of our Wi-Fi connection. Now, if we look for our Wi-Fi list, we will find that our fognet connection is gone and a new hidden network option appears. Now we will be connected to the hidden network from this PC. Before connecting, we will remove the previously saved fognet network from this PC. Otherwise, it will create another name like fognet2 in the list. So from the Wi-Fi connection, manage network, and we will forget this previously connected fognet. Now we will go to the hidden network option, click on connect, and we will have to provide our SSID or Wi-Fi name, that is fognet, and next provide the password. Click next, click yes, and you will be connected to the hidden network from your desktop or laptop. Now we will be connected to the hidden network from our mobile devices. At first, turn on the Wi-Fi connection. From the list, click on add a network, enter the SSID of the hidden network, in this case that is fognet. Also select the security, that is WPA2 personal, and provide the password. Here one important factor is necessary to select, that is the hidden network type. You will have to click on yes, otherwise you will not be able to connect to the hidden network. Click on save, and you will be connected to the hidden network. I think this video will help you for securing your Wi-Fi connection.